This is gonna go like that into the cube, and now I'm gonna attach the next row of yellow. Okay, I'm really starting to get excited. Guys, I'm gonna do the end piece now. Okay, now things are getting a little bit more difficult. Look at how good it looks! Okay, we're on to the last one. Here we go. You guys. I cannot believe I did it. Look how flat it is. Ah! Okay, so now I need to get this onto a punty thing so I can hold it from this angle and plunk it into the cube.